everyone, this is Jim Krasinski with your weekly screencast video. So for this edition, I'm beginning in the announcements page. I've received many emails, an abundance of emails about SA3 in the process. There's a lack of first drafts in the folder, and there just seems to be some confusion about SA3. So, as I say here, there's been a consistent uploading and posting of screencast videos, lecture videos, even a video produced for your discussion board assignment has some great information on it. All of those links are working, all of them are available to you, and I urge you to review these videos often, okay? And they should help you out with the SA3 assignment. Now, for those of you who are struggling with the Google Drive process, and I've had several emails about that this week, I've got a special edition video here about Google Drive and the essay process. What I'm going to try to accomplish in this screencast video is to summarize the SA3 process and run through some of the resources and show you where you can extract the information and the knowledge you need to be successful with this assignment. So let's look at this week's schedule. Tuesday, we're in the peer review process. I believe Sunday is when, Easter Sunday is when peer review 1 is due. Peer review 2 is due Tuesday, end of day. The final draft of SA3 is due Thursday, end of day. Then we're going to move on to the cover letter assignment, which is your last essay assignment moving towards the end of the semester. I will post up the lecture video number 4 later this week. So let's take a look at SA3 and see if I can summarize this whole process here for you. So if we get to the proposal module right here, for a PDF of the module number 3, learning materials, this link will take you to the PDF of the learning materials. I'll cover those in a little bit more detail because I have it open in the Google Drive folder. So your target assessment, look at the assignment again, please read it. I'm asking for a problem solution format. So the task is to write a proposal essay by integrating outside sources to help resolve a problem you care about in higher education. You can use your personal experience as academic evidence to support your proposal argument. Remember, your personal experience is valid as academic evidence. Please do not assume that this is an essay assignment that is a narrative that you can write about your experiences and problems in higher education. That is not the assignment. This is a proposal argument, problem solution. So I'm asking you to identify a problem that is of consequence and of manageable scale. Also, you have to discuss the cause and effects, whether it's procrastination, time management, stress and anxiety, whatever your problem may be, there are some related causes and effects. You have to identify the causes often in being able to propose solutions for your problem. So you have to provide evidence for the seriousness of the problem and for ways to solve it and justify these solutions over alternatives. So this is where the 3 sources come into play. Provide some sources that'll support your seriousness of the problem or even your solutions. I can guarantee you there are strategies out there in the information world that can provide you support for your problem or support for your solution. All right, so we've talked about this throughout the videos. You need 3 outside sources of information. All right, your proposal is appropriate both form and content for your audience. Should be balanced and accurate and avoid sweeping generalizations or inaccurate assertions. I say that because oftentimes students just want to rant about a problem. This is where a problem solution, the proposal format, devotes time to the problem, but just as much time to the solution. Okay, complaining about a problem without solution is not a proposal argument or proposal structure. So I say here the proposal must reflect a respectful and informed tone supported by evidence discovered through research. Since the proposal is a persuasive argument, it relies on avoiding logical fallacies in developing the solutions to the problem. All right. So here are all of the requirements. All right. So I have an example here. And if we were to open this example up, you would see that this particular problem for the example is the cost of textbooks. All right. In this particular example, the student does an excellent job of providing some background on textbooks, lays out, okay, the problem. Accordingly, textbook prices could be seen as a serious problem in higher education, and it needs to be addressed. I mean, rhetorically, a clear move there, right? Provides significant documentation here and statistics from a source about the cost of college textbooks. All right. As a possible solution, as we see through, the solution is a format, problem, solution. Okay. And as you move on toward the conclusion, and here is an excellent example of a works cited page. Hanging indent, all the information for the three sources. So the idea here is for you to look at the problem solution format. This is a shorter assignment. It is not the length of your particular assignment. Your word count cover is important here. All right. So you want to be able to follow that particular example. Now, if you look at the learning materials, there is an abundance of information how to look at problem solution essays, the proposal essay. So, but here, much like in your discussion board PowerPoint where I covered the organizational structure, in the learning materials here, there is a section on how to organize the proposal essay. So for your introduction, your opening, I give you two strategies. Much like the summary essay, here you have the anecdotal, which is draw on your own experiences in higher education that might provide some context for your problem. This is a story about your experiences to be used in the introduction only. Sets the stage for your problem. I'm sure there's many students in higher education who can identify with your problem. So you can draw on your personal experience, and then you go into presenting your information and support for your problem. Or background, provide some basic information about the problems that you are talking about. Whether it's some statistics or situations, you have to provide some background so the reader becomes familiar. Going back to the textbook example, there is some information and provides information in that opening and introduction, right, to demonstrate the seriousness of the problems of textbooks. Then you need a guiding point, a claim, or thesis. What is the main point of your draft? The thesis can be as simple as stating the problem and providing an overview of the solutions. Straightforward. So the main section of your essay is going to begin with stating and dramatizing the problem. Here's where you establish the seriousness and the consequentiality of the problem. In this part of the essay, you should show me evidence for support about the seriousness of the problem. Data from your sources and examples from real life experiences should drive the show me. Remember, as I've been saying all semester long, show me, don't tell me. So after you cover the problem, then get to the solutions. Here's where you inform the reader of the solutions to the problem that you've laid out. Some of the solutions should be quite simple, some more complicated. Provide the evidence. Once again, is to show me to back up your solutions. Here is where you demonstrate the possible solution by finding others that have solved the problem. Data from your sources or real life examples provide the evidence. Straightforward problem solution format. A balanced attack on this particular topic, on your particular topic, is what is needed. And then you need a close. Wrap up the reasoning of your solution with benefit people and society. Okay, and remember principles of citations and a works cited page. So a works cited page is demonstrated in the example. We have a problem solution format in the organizational outline here for the proposal essay. So once again, this is one focused problem and solutions. This is not a handful of unrelated problems and solutions. This is problem, solution, conclusion. Okay, opening, problem, solution, conclusion. This is not opening, problem solution, problem solution, problem solution, problem solution. Okay, that is not a focus problem, a proposal argument. All right. So I'm hoping once again that everybody has the opportunity to look through this video and look at the resources that are available in the module. As I work through the module, you have the readings and the research resources that are available to you. Once again, in the modules, I have a section on the using and citing sources that was covered in a separate lecture video, I believe. This is information, once again, is located in the Canvas module, and also are all of the drive instructions, the peer review report, the reviews, and the final essay upload. All right. So I'm hoping this summary helps everyone in the building and writing of their SA3 draft. All right. So, whether you like it or not, we all have to adapt to this new online reality. That's the way it is. Reading with purpose and taking notes, viewing all the videos is critical. All right. So, this week, remember, we have peer reviews are due Tuesday, end of day. Final draft is due Thursday, end of day. Now, after viewing all the videos, looking through the modules, discovering the knowledge embedded in all the resources, you have any questions, please contact me via email. Be safe and good luck.